Look up. Above us, not just rocks and stars, but a potential trillion-dollar economy waiting to be unlocked. We're talking about asteroid mining. Forget Earth's dwindling resources and environmental battles. What if I told you a single miles-wide space rock could hold more platinum, gold, and nickel than all the reserves ever mined on Earth? This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the new space race, and the stakes are unfathomable. Why are we looking for riches in the void? Because these asteroids are literally the rocky remnants of our solar system's formation. They come in three main types: C-type, the most common; S-type, which contains silicate and nickel iron; and the rare, but most valuable, M-type metallic asteroids. Take asteroid 16 Psyche. NASA is sending a mission to study it, not because it's a threat, but because it's thought to be the naked core of an ancient planet. Some estimates suggest its metal content, mostly iron, nickel, and potentially precious metals, could be worth a staggering $10,000 quadrillion. Even a small 10-meter S-type asteroid can contain around 1,433,000 pounds, 650,000 calories of metal, with over 110 pounds, 50 kilo, being precious platinum and gold. These are resources that could flip the entire global economy. This new gold rush is possible thanks to one massive change: the cost of getting to space is plummeting. Just 15 years ago, launching a payload cost tens of thousands of dollars per kilogram. Now, thanks to the privatization of space and reusable rockets, the cost can be in the low thousands, and new systems aim for just hundreds of dollars per kilogram. This dramatic cost reduction makes mining missions financially viable. Companies like AstroForge and Transastra are already moving. AstroForge launched its first test craft, Odin, a $6.5 million mission to assess a target asteroid. While early missions like Japan's Hayabusa and NASA's OSIRIS-REx have only returned tiny samples, around 127 grams total from all missions so far, they prove the impossible is possible. The next hurdles aren't just getting there, but figuring out how to mine and refine metals in the zero-gravity vacuum of space. Why pursue this massive, risky investment? For the payoff. As astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson famously said, "The first trillionaire there will ever be is the person who exploits the natural resources on asteroids." For others, it's about saving Earth. Mining platinum on Earth generates about 40,000 kilon of CO2 per kilogram of metal. Projections for asteroid mining? Only 150 kilo of CO2 per kilogram of platinum, mostly from the rocket launches. It could be an environmentally superior option to terrestrial and deep-sea mining. But the challenges remain. How do we deal with space debris and the rubble, tailings, left over from mining? And who owns the asteroid wealth? The 1967 Outer Space Treaty says no country can claim a celestial body, but it's silent on resources. This legal gray area is already being tested. The biggest prize might not even be platinum returned to Earth. The ultimate goal is to use asteroid water for fuel and 3D printable metal to build a vast trillion-dollar space economy in space, fueling satellites, space habitats, and the human colonization of the solar system. The race is on, the technology is nearly here, and the prize is beyond imagination. Will we witness the birth of the world's first trillionaire? Only time will tell.